tuendelee kutulia ili tuweze kuongozwa kwa maombi mafupi tunapoanza ratiba yetu ya siku ya leo. Tunaomba.
Let us pray in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. God our Father, in the name of Jesus, gift of this day, that we plan that together here to appreciate the work of our hands and your blessings. Father, I want to thank you for the generosity of our leadership. Thank you for the gift of our president. Thank you, Lord, for the gift of the Ministry of Education and the CS and all those who work under him, for the gift of the infrastructure of this school. Father, I pray that you continue blessing them, protecting them, above all, Lord, that you may continue guiding them. For our parents, for our children, for and every member of this community, for all the efforts and the contributions made towards the gift of these children. Father, do I thank you, and I pray that you continue blessing us. As we start this program, of Jesus, I pray that you may start with us and end with us. Bless our speakers, bless those that will be guiding us, and everybody here, Father, that we may stay under your blessings and protection. Thank you for each one of us, Lord. Thank you because you planned it and it has come to fruition. I pray that you may be with us as we begin unto the very end. And now I invoke your blessings and call you to be with us in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Asante sana mgeni rasmi, kwa ruhusa yako naomba tuketi. Mgeni wetu wa heshima siku ya leo, waziri katika wizara ya elimu, Profesa George Magoha. Nikisha tambua itifaki zote na kuziheshimu, nitaomba kwa heshima viongozi, kuna viti ambavyo nitaomba viachwe wazi laini ya kwanza kwa ajili ya viongozi ambao watajiunga nasi wakati wote kuanzia sasa. Tunasubiri waziri wetu kujiunga nasi, tunamsubiri governor wetu kujiunga nasi. Na kwa sasa mgeni rasmi, nikubalie niwaalike shule zetu ambazo zimejiunga kwa mseto. Siku ya leo wamejiandaa kutuletea burudani, na wako na nyimbo, wako na spoken word, wako na shairi. Kwa hivyo wakati huu, ikiwa mko tayari, shule zetu za mseto, uga ni wenu.
His Excellency Mr. President, our CS Professor Magoha, and the protocols observed. In front of you is Petronila Naitore from Morogoma Primary School, ready to represent her spoken word. Oya, President, visitors, guardians, and teachers. Naitwa Chatgal kutoka Meru na Pedagogyan Jalali Halali. Alikubless akapa wananchi choices wakakuvote kwa president. Uka-accept whatever was announced by the Chief Justice. Ukasema utari in the Republic of Kenya vizuri. Even in the book of Proverbs chapter 12 verse 1, it says, whoever loves instructions loves knowledge, but he who hates correction is stupid. For you just accepted the instructions na tumiona maendeleo. We have stayed peacefully with one another from the day that you entered to the State House. Even if you are going to retire, may God bless you, may God keep you, and may God give you strength to whatever you would like to do. Our Father, tuache kwenye mikono mizuri. Let the Lord lead you so that Kenya can prosper in peace. Thank you very much.
Let us appreciate that little girl for that wonderful word spoken. Tunaendelea na burudani kutoka kwa wanafunzi wetu.
Mgeni wetu Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, waziri wa elimu Profesa Magoha, mkuu wa idara ya upelelezi John Kinoti, wageni mashuhuri, walimu, wazazi na wanafunzi wenzetu. Mbele yenu shule ya msingi Kironya, Meru, tayari kuwakalilia shairi chini ya manda.
Shukrani kwako Rais wetu Uhuru Kenyatta.
Makinikeni.
Kenya tuendelee kuishi kwa amani. Kongole wetu rais, Rabuka kujalia tele afya. Tamati tofikia, kocho kongole. Sotajika mengi meneleza, mengi ya kikayata. Tamani avyo kisasa, mara kuzidishie. Kongole wetu rais, Rabuka kujalia tele afya. Shabash.
Hongera kwa tunzo hizo ambazo wametunga. Wanaingia sasa kwa burudani ya muziki. Uwanja ni wenu watoto wetu wa shule. Ala, makofi kwa wanafunzi wetu. Wimbo wao maridadi, wimbo wa Baba Ngina, ukipenda Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, rais wa Jamhuri yetu ya Kenya. Wakati huo huo anajiunga nasi gavana wa jimbo letu la Meru, Mheshimiwa Geraitu Murungi. Tumkaribishe kwa makofi gavana wetu. Asante sana. Welcome, welcome your excellency. Wanafunzi wetu watatupa wimbo wao wa pili. Aha. Jameni, tuwapongeze kwa makofi wanapoondoka uwanjani. Shule zetu za mseto, wapi Mchogomono? Mpo? Haya, ninulieni mikono mnapoondoka Mchogomono. Rogetene, Morogoma, Kironya, Mwonjonjone. Halalalala, naga dhoira. Gadwe? Hey. Aulia mliuga. Tuwapigie makofi wanapoondoka tena. Wametupa nyimbo zenye sifa za Mheshimiwa Rais. Hata wanakwaya watapumzika kidogo, nitawaleta baadaye dakika moja tu. Wanakwaya vile vile tupate viti vyetu. Wakati huo nikitambua kuwasili kwa waziri wetu Profesa Margaret Kobia, waziri wetu wa Public Service, tumkaribishe tafadhali. Reverend Kobia vile vile amejiunga nasi, ndugu yetu Titus Ibue. Karibuni sana tunapoendelea na ratiba yetu ya siku ya leo. Wanakwaya tuketi kidogo wanakwaya, nitawapa nafasi baadaye kidogo, dakika 3 zijazo. Nafasi hii mgeni wetu rasmi anapowakaribisha wageni wetu, waziri wetu wa masuala ya huduma za jamii na jinsia Profesa Margaret Kobia, pamoja na commissioner wetu Reverend Kobia, pamoja na bwana Ibue Titus. Karibuni sana tunapoendelea na ratiba yetu. Tungependa kuingia kwenye ratiba rasmi na niombe utulivu wenu. Mkinipa nafasi nitaendelea kwa haraka ili tuweze kurudi makwetu, kwa sababu ninaona hapa kwenu kuna joto sana. I've never gone to a very hot place like this. This is very hot place. You enjoy this heat, eh? Allah. Asante sana mgeni rasmi, nichukue fursa hii kukuomba ruhusa ili niweze kuendelea. Kwa ajili ya wale ambao labda ni wageni kwangu, langu jina Mfawidhi Mike Getone kutoka ofisi ya Rais, msaidizi wa mkurugenzi katika masuala ya shughuli za kitaifa. Na siku ya leo kwa heshima ya Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, niliombwa nije tushinde nanyi na mawaziri hawa ambao ni watenda kazi, na ndiposa nikaweza kuja. Nikubalie mgeni rasmi nimwalike mwalimu mkuu wa shule yetu ya msingi ya Kironya, Bwana Muchiri, dakika moja tu atuambie karibu ili tuweze kuendelea. Mwalimu mkuu tafadhali. Adjust the mic. Adjust the mic stand. Adjust the mic stand. Tuwe wasikivu ili tuweze kwenda kwa haraka. Mwenyezi Mungu atatubariki. Mwalimu mkuu, karibu. The lower side.
Our Governor, Kiraito Murungi, the Regional Director of Education, all distinguished guests, all protocols observed. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to Kironya Primary School. Kironya Primary School is an area with cold weather, but today the weather is a little bit friendly. So I hope that you bear with the way it is. Sir, allow me to introduce the people I work with here, the Kironya primary staff. Wherever you are, kindly stand. Okay, those are the members of Kironya Primary School. Can you appreciate them? Among them, sir, is my deputy who has since retired. She retired on 30th of June. But she has agreed to assist us so as to thank you so much, madam. Appreciate her. Sir, I would also like at this juncture to introduce the staff, support the staff of the school. Our cook, our watchman, wherever they are, they assist us so much. Can they also stand so that we appreciate them? Oh, there they are. Can you appreciate them? Thank you very much. Now, before I make my remarks, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the former head teacher of this school, Mr. Kiroke. Mr. Kiroke, please, kindly stand. I am going to donate my airtime, 1 minute, please, so that you can greet the congregation. Please come.
Thank you very much. My name is Moses Kirukengera. I'm a senior citizen. I was in this school. I worked in this compound for 20 good years as the head teacher. We have done a lot, and I can see the school is doing well, but there is still room for improvement. What I can tell Kenyans, and more especially our community, is that good education is good life and good healthy. You are all welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kiroke. You have spent your time well. Allow me, sir, now to give a brief history of the school. Keronya Primary School was started in the year 1983. Over the years, the school has produced pupils who have excelled well in their secondary education and later in their university education. The school has thus produced economists, engineers, teachers, nurses, among others. Currently, the school has an enrollment of 129 primary school pupils and then 34 PP1 and PP2 pupils. There are 8 CSE teachers, 2 county government teachers, and 2 BOM teachers. We have 2 support staff members. Sir, may I report that the school is embracing the CBC system of education, and we feel that it is the best for our children. Our school is also embracing ICT integration in learning, and our children are doing very well in that area. We are gathered here today to celebrate the commissioning of our new multipurpose hall. I wish to thank His Excellency the President, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, whose sponsorship towards the construction of this magnificent hall made it a dream come true, without forgetting our son, the DCI, through whom the construction of the hall has been possible. The hall, sir, was started in 2019 with a groundbreaking ceremony that was presided over by the parish priest, Father Matifo. Within 1 year, the hall was complete. The hall has a seating capacity of 600 people. It houses a modern computer lab, which is equipped with 7 laptops, 26 tablets, and a projector. The only challenge that we have, sir, is the one of internet coverage, but we have promised to solve that, sir, within a short time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for that. The hall has also a modern kitchen, 2 toilets, and a urinal. The only missing thing in that hall is the septic tank, which also you have promised to work on within a very short time. Your commissioning of this hall, sir, is going to be a reprieve to the school children, because they will no longer eat in the cold as has been the case before. The community will also benefit by using the hall as long as they follow the right down procedures. I thank you so much, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Asante sana mwalimu mkuu kwa niaba ya shule yetu. Mwalimu aliongea lugha ya Kimombo. Kuna mambo mawili ambayo tayari waziri wetu amekwisha yatekeleza. Labda niseme kwa lugha hii ambayo mnaelewa ili mjue kwamba kazi imefanyika tayari. Amesema kwamba our modern hall ama ukumbi wetu haukuwa na septic, mahala ambapo uchafu wote ambapo ungeelekezwa. Lakini asubuhi hii ya leo tuna shukrani kwa Mwenyezi Mungu. Waziri wetu amesema muda usiokuwa mrefu that septic tank will be here. Jambo la pili, waziri wetu Profesa Magoha ameshuhudia kwamba we have the lab na tuko na software zote za kutosha, lakini hatukuwa na network. Kwa muda wa wiki moja usipopita, Profesa Magoha, waziri wetu wa elimu, amesema network will be here. Kwa hivyo shukran sana. Nafasi hii mgeni rasmi nikubalie ni mwalike mmoja wa wale ambao walisomea sehemu hii, naye ni Karemi Joy, azungumza kwa dakika 2. Let us appreciate one of our own daughters. Kwa niaba ya wale wengine, Karemi atazungumza kwa dakika 2. Welcome.
Thank you so much to the principal guest, Cabinet Secretary for Education, Professor George Magoha, our CS, Margaret Kobia, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Joy Karemi, an alumni of this school. I did my KCP in the year 2012, where I was able to score 339 marks. I was then admitted to Royal Girls Secondary School, where I attained a B- in my KCSE exam in the year 2016. I then proceeded to Chuka University, where I pursued a bachelor's degree in computer studies, computer science, and graduated on December 2012 with a first class honors. I was the only girl who graduated with a first class honors in IT. Special regards to our government for building the state-of-art multipurpose hall and a computer lab courtesy of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta. I would like to appreciate the community for the continued support in the development of our school. Special thanks to Mr. George Kinoti for his support towards the education sector. He has helped me acquire a Chinese scholarship, whereby I'm going to pursue my master's degree in IT in China, Beijing City on September 2022. To our CS, Professor George Magoha, we really appreciate your presence here today in our school. Feel appreciated so much. We also appreciate your efforts towards the success of CBC. Finally, I was a young girl who was inspired by Eleanor Roosevelt, the former First Lady of USA, when she said the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. With no electricity, no computers at Kronyo Primary School, I still dared to dream to pursue IT, and true to the belief of the beauty of my dreams, I'm now a first class honors holders in bachelor's degree in IT. It is my humble request for the younger generation who have different dreams and believe in the beauty of those dreams that you request your colleague, the CS for IT, Mr. Joe Musheru, to assist the school and the community at large to have better access to the internet and other ICT resources. We are grateful for the computer lab, but it has also been a huge challenge to access the internet, and as a staunch Christian who I am, I believe that when you ask, it shall be given to you. But as I have already heard, CS, that you're going to do that within a week, and I'm so grateful, sir. Also, thank you for taking that initiative to bring the internet here, because it will have a great impact to the younger generation. Thank you.
Hongera sana. Yaani kijiji kama hiki kinaweza toa first class honors. Munajivunia. Na sikusikia ngemi za huyo dada kwa kazi nzuri aliyofanya. Asanti sana, asanti sana. Computer science, sayansi ya tarakilishi, sio sayansi ya watu wadogo. Kupata first class honors sio mchezo. Si unajua kuna wengine wanaendaga university wanatoka na degree ile inaitagwa degree. Anatoka na degree ya shule na nyingine amebeba hivi. Huyo dada amekuwa mfano kwa dada wengine hapa wadogo, wale ambao nimeona hapa wasichana wadogo. Tutie bidii, it is doable. Nenda nyumbani mwambie mtoto wako mdogo kwamba inawezeka, kwa sababu kama huyu amesoma hivyo na amepata shahada ya kwanza, mawaziri hawa watakueleza what it means to have a first class honors, kwamba wakaguzi waliangalia mitihani yake yote wakaona hakuna kitu ya kumkosoa. You can imagine a girl from this village. Jipigieni makofi jameni. Nafasi hii ningependa kumwalika Bwana Samuel Ncheri kwa dakika moja tu azungumze kwa niaba ya wale ambao waliandaa sherehe hii. Dakika moja tafadhali, ili tuweze kuokoa muda. Organizing committee chair, just take your minute.
Thank you very much, one MC, but I'll not do it in a minute. It will be longer. Our chief guest, CS Magoha. I've seen a lot of my friends here. Dr. Samuel Kobia, karibu. CS Margaret Kobia, karibu nyumbani. My good old friend and schoolmate, Governor Kiraitu Murungi, karibu. I've seen my old friend Titus Zibui, na wao wengine, Deputy Governor, karibu. Asanteni sana. Please feel welcome at home. Where is the MC? I also come from this village, and I will start by thanking Professor Magoha on a personal note, because recently he accepted my name as a BOM member of Alliance High School, and only 2 months ago I was elected the chairman of the BOM of Alliance High School now. So Bwana Kiraitu, bow to me also, because I'm the chairman of your old school. Karibuni sana wageni wetu. What I've been asked to do is actually present 2 memoranda. One to the government of Kenya from the community, and I'm glad we have 2 SCSs here, and the memoranda to the government of Kenya relates to the 2, and some of it, or the content may relate to some who are not here, but I believe we'll entrust you with the contents of the memoranda to make sure that they are delivered to the right people. And then there's a memoranda for the county government, which I've also been asked to present. But I'll be very brief. Watu wetu, tuseme asante sana. The children sang and said thank you very much to the government of Kenya for giving us roads, a tarmac road. Tunasema asante sana. But we could do with more tarmac roads. Sindio? Tunakubaliana? They also said thank you very much indeed. We have water, but we could do a bit more water. Ukweli? Okay, asante sana. Now, going to the issues that I've been asked to present on behalf of the community relating to education. Our chief guest, thank you very much for being here today. Nari has 3 mixed secondary schools at St. Joseph, Michaka, Michogomone, and Rugetene. It has 1 girls' secondary school at Ronkro. The community is requesting thank you. The community is requesting that this school where we are be elevated to a boys' secondary school. Not too long ago, and Professor Kobe is here, there's a lot of push for the empowerment of the girl child. The boy child now is a little bit alienated. And we're saying, please, let's have this school elevated to an extra county boys boarding school. Let boys from other counties in the country come and have a feel of the living next to the mountain, like you're feeling now. And The blending of diversity will assist our boys developing a nationalistic outlook. The second request, our chief guest, is that in Borik constituency, we have 1,600 trained and qualified but unemployed young teachers. And I've been given the list of those youngsters, which I'll pass on to you. We are kindly requesting the government to make every endeavor to absorb our young people in the schools so that they earn a living and also contribute to national building. Idleness of the youth, as you know, in addition to being a wasted resource, is a recipe for disaster. Number 3, we have quite a number of our people who are teaching outside our county, who have gained exposure out there, and our own people could benefit from that experience gained elsewhere. It is a request that they are considered for stationing in our county, at least for a short time, so that whatever they have gained out there may also trickle down to our own people. Number 4, we have a number of graduates, like the one who was standing here before me, who have graduated in various disciplines and are seeking employment. We are appealing to the government to absorb them in various sectors. And I think Margaret, this was directed at you. The second item that I've been asked to present is on matters of administration. And I believe we'll entrust this with you, Professor Margaret Gobia. Now, Nari was elevated into a division and gazetted, correct? The location of the location of the divisional headquarters was identified. The community is kindly requesting for the construction of the offices so that delivery of administrative services may be brought nearer to the people of the community. Number 2, Nari, after being upgraded to a division, 2 locations were created, Kitimena location and Nari location. We are requesting that these be operationalized. Number 3, Nari Police Post was upgraded to a full police station 10 years ago. The community is requesting that this gazettement is implemented and the police post is uplifted to a full police station status. Number 4, this is a matter on infrastructure. The people of Nari appreciate the tarmac road from Kirua to here, and we say thank you very much indeed. We also appreciate the roads that have been graded recently in different parts of this division, and we say thank you very much indeed. There's a request from the people of Nari that the road from Kirua through Getimene to Getoro be tarmacked. There's a request that the road from Getimene to Kirashene be tarmacked. There's a request also, there's a road that passes at the back here, Kibrichia, through Muchene, through Kironya to Githongo be tarmacked. And we note that these roads to be constructed do not require too much money because there are no bridges to be built. So they can be done very quickly, and this will be quick wins. Thank you very much indeed. That's the request for the national government. Now, a quick request also from the community to you, Governor Murungi. The people of Nari wish to present the following 2 issues. There are 2. The county government supported the commissioning of Phase 1, and we're currently requesting the support for the commissioning of Phase 2. Now, if this project is well networked, It will supply water not only to Nari, but also part of Kerua, and supposed to even serve part of Isiolo and Ruire. That's the first request. The second request is on health matters. Hello, yeah, thank you. The second request is on health matters to the county government. There's a dispensary that was built by the community not far away from here at a place called Muruguma down the road. And the community is requesting the county government to staff, stock, equip, and commission this dispensary as part of the universal health care. The second one is, and you have to excuse me this, people and our chief guest, is something that is very close to my heart, in fact, and I can get very emotional about this. This is the Nari Level 4 Hospital. And Governor has spoken to you about this a couple of times on a one-on-one basis. In 2011, this facility was inspected by the Ministry of Health, and in November of the same year, 2011, it was upgraded and gazetted as a Level 4 hospital. However, despite the elevation, the hospital has never been acknowledged or it has never functioned as a fully fledged hospital. In 2012, the community, with assistance from the county council government then, constructed 3 wards. They were completed. They refurbished the kitchen, and a specific doctor's hospital and observation room was constructed. These facilities have never been equipped. So a fully qualified medical doctor was momentarily stationed at this hospital, but was removed and a replacement has not been sent. An ambulance was promised by the county government, but it has not yet arrived. We're still waiting for it. The community requests that the status of this hospital is acknowledged, equipped, and it starts functioning as a Level 4 hospital. These are the humble requests to the county government and also to the national government that are being presented today by our community. Thank you very much indeed. God bless you.
Asante. Asante sana mwenyekiti wa kamati ya andalizi. Sababu ambao nimempa azungumze hayo ni kwa sababu haya ni memoranda ambazo zitaenda kwenye afisi ya jimbo na hata afisi ya rais. Kwa hivyo nimemkubalia tu azungumze kwa dakika hizo 3. Kwa wale ambao watafuata tunarudi kwa dakika moja kwa sababu ni kushukuru tu. Nikubalie sasa, wakati namwalika mlezi wa shule hii, ukipenda the sponsor choir, kindly take your position. Nimwalike Father Lawrence on behalf of the sponsor aje azungumze. Do we have the choir? I can't see movement. We move to our position. Tuingie position zetu choir kama tumetulia, ili padri aendelee kuzungumza tunapojipanga kwa wimbo wenu mmoja peke yake. Padri, karibu.
Thank you so much. The Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Education, Honorable Professor George Magoha, the Cabinet Secretary, Public Service, Professor Margaret, all the guests, Your Excellency, the Governor of Meru County, the Regional Director of Education, Dr. Sugut, and all our guests. Sir, on behalf of the Catholic Diocese of Meru, I wish to appreciate the gift from His Excellency the President through your ministry to the school of the multipurpose hall, which I'm sure is going to contribute a lot to the learning of these children and also be of assistance to the community. On behalf of the diocese, I want to appreciate the collaboration and the cooperation that we are getting from the Ministry of Education as we implement pastoral programs in our schools. We pray that this collaboration continues, because as a church, we are now embarking on a paradigm shift. We are no longer so much building schools, but we want to concentrate on building hearts. We realize, sir, that as much as we have the infrastructure, the kind of students that we are channeling back to the community, some of them may not have good character. And therefore, as a church, our emphasis now is character formation for the learners. We pray that the ministry will continue supporting our pastoral programs so that as a church we can implement this. Otherwise, thank you so much for finding time to be with us, and I pray that God blesses us all. Thank you.
Asante sana. Tumpongeze katibu wa elimu katika kanisa la Kikatoliki jimbo la Meru, Father Lawrence, kwa niaba ya the sponsor, na ujumbe ambao ametoa ni ujumbe mufti, na ushirikiano huo ni mwema. Ugani sasa ni kwaya zetu za mseto kutoka makanisa mbalimbali, ishara kwamba eneo hili tunaishi kwa pamoja pasina imani tofauti tofauti. Mkiwa tayari, tafadhali mtupe wimbo ili tuokoe muda. Tuwapongeze wanaondoka uwanjani, watarejea baadaye na wimbo wao wa pili. Tuwape makofi mazuri muungano wa kwaya zetu za madhehebu mbalimbali ambazo zimekusanyika siku ya leo. Kwa umbali nikiona Wakatoliki, VSDA, MCK, Full Gospel na wale wengine, ikiwa ni ishara kwamba tunachapa kazi kwa pamoja katika ujumbe huo. Wamemlimbikizia Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta sifa zake na kumtakia afueni anapoenda katika mali ya ujenzi wa taifa. Nafasi mgeni rasmi, nikubalieni mwalike Bwana Samuel Turanera ambaye ni mwenyekiti wa BOM. Tafadhali naye azungumza kwa dakika 2 tu ili tuweze kuokoa muda. Mwenyekiti, karibu.
Mgeni wetu wa heshima leo, waziri wa elimu katika nchi ya Kenya, Profesa George Magoha, waziri wa wafanyikazi wa serikali, youth na gender, Profesa Manda Mkobian. Nashukuru nafasi hii kumkaribisha shule ya Kironya, mahali ambapo ni mimi mwenyekiti wa board. Ningependa kuchukua nafasi hii kumjulisha kwa kamati tunayofanya kazi pamoja. Wanakamati wa shule, simameni mahali mlipo musalimia wageni. Asante sana. Mheshimiwa Gavana wa Meru Bwana Clayton, ningependa kukuomba ombi moja tu. Katika hii shule yetu tuko na upungufu wa maji. Tungeomba tu kwa uwezekano wako kama tunaweza kupata mbwao ndio tuweze kuwa tunapata maji ya kutumiwa na wanafunzi na mambo ingine. Pia tunaye nyumba mzuri sana tumejengewa hapa na Our Excellency the President, ambaye tunahitaji majiko ya kisasa. Bandari ile ya kutumia kuni iwe na moshi mingi na kuharibu kuta zetu, tusaidiwe na hiyo majiko ya kisasa ikiwezekana. Asanteni.
Thank you so much. Asante sana mwenyekiti wa bodi kwa utiifu wako. Umetumia dakika 1. Asante. Mkurugenzi wa masuala ya elimu katika kikanda hiki, Daktari William Sugut, naye aseme jambo kwa kifupi. Karibu daktari. Let's appreciate our regional director.
Thank you very much, MC. Our chief guest, who is the CS Education, Professor Magoha. Our CS Public Service, Professor Kobia. Our Governor, Kiraitu Murungi. Reverend Kobia. Titus Sibui, the chair of Lapset Corridor. Our DCC, who is present. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I wish to take this opportunity first and foremost, sir, to introduce those who are working with me in education in this region. Kindly just stand. Let's appreciate them. Thank you very much. That's the County Director of Education, the Sub-County Director, Quality Assurance. Thank you so much. Be seated. Sir, what His Excellency the President has done for this institution, we don't take it for granted. As a region, we are grateful and we are happy. Over and above that, sir, we have received support from His Excellency the President through CBC with 1,451 classrooms in phase 1, which we have delivered. In phase 2, we are also getting 434 classrooms, and sir, we are going to roll our sleeves and ensure that we deliver on the same. All that you have directed as regards to this institution, we are going to work around the clock to ensure it's delivered within the shortest time possible. Otherwise, it is our pleasure to have you in this region. Thank you and God bless you. Asante MC.
Asante sana mkuu wa kikanda hiki katika masuala ya elimu, Daktari William. Nafasi ningependa kupisha vijana wetu the Kironya Dancers kwa dakika 2 peke yake, ikiwa wako tayari waingie uwanjani chap chap. Teke square bila kupoteza muda. Let's appreciate our young men wanapoingia uwanjani kutupa burudani. Kindly stage management, let us move the mics. Stage management, hizo mics tuziweke kando kidogo so that they have an opportunity to show us what they know best. Kironya Dancers, ikiwa mko tayari, mtupe vitu. Let's move. Let's go. Where's the DJ? The DJ, you're letting your people down. Mr. DJ. Si lazima useme mwenyewe najua. Nina manini wakishua. Marshall, kindly give out one microphone on this ground. Tuokoe muda tafadhali. Need us to be very fast on issues. Back to back. Don't have a lapse. Proceed kindly.
Our CS of Education, George Magoha, our Director of Education, our Governor, and other visitors, our guest on stage is Kironya dance crew Chokas, ready to present a modern dance. Welcome.
Tuwapongeze vijana wetu wa Keronya Dancers kwa makofi mazuri. Niwakumbushe tu kwamba ujana ni moshi na ukienda haurudi. Tutumie ujana wetu vizuri, maana siku ya kesho yahitaji siku ya leo. Nafasi hii kwa niaba ya mkuu wa jimbo letu, that is the county commissioner, nitamwalika naibu wake the DCC Madam Josephine Jenga, naye azungumze kwa kifupi. Karibu madam.
Our guest of honor, Minister for CS for Education, Professor George Magoha, our CS for Public Service, Youth, Gender and Special Program, Professor Margaret Kobia, our Governor, Meru County, Honorable Kiraito Murungi, our Chairman, National Cohesion and Integration Commission, Reverend Kobia, our Chairman, LAPSET, Mr. Mbui, the Regional Director of Education, all protocols observed. Mabibi na mabwana hamjambo. Langu ni kukaribisha wageni wetu kwa hii eneo ya Bure East. Ningependa kuwakaribisha sana katika hili eneo. Katika hili eneo, waziri wetu wa elimu, ningependa kukuambia kuwa tuliweza kuachieve 100% transition from primary to secondary schools. Pia tunashukuru serikali kuu kwa sababu tumeweza kupata CBC classrooms. So far we have 20 classrooms and we are happy to report we are among the first sub-county kumaliza hii kazi ya kujenga CBC classrooms. Na ningependa kutaja mambo machache ambao serikali kuu imeweza kutufanyia kwa hii eneo, ndio pia tuweze kujua. Ningependa kusema kuwa tuko na irrigation project imeanzishwa na serikali kuu kwa kiwango 284 million, inaitwa Kerua Buri Irrigation Project ambao iko eneo ya Kerua, ina cover around 3 wards ambao inasaidia sana upande wa maji. Pia tuko na barabara zimejengwa na serikali kuu ambayo moja yapo ni Kisima Kibirichia Roiri Road ambayo imesaidia sana kutembea. Eneo ilikuwa ngumu sana, lakini wakati huu tunajivunia kuwa hiyo barabara iko na rami. Tuko na Kerua Runyenye Barrier Road ambayo tumepata courtesy of our CS Professor Margaret Kobia. Pia tuko na Kwakome Tutwa Dunyusabu Road ambao tumepata kwa hii eneo letu. Tuko na Kerua Morogoma Keronya Road ambayo ndio hii ya rami tumepitia asubuhi ya leo. Pia tuko na barabara katika eneo ya Ntuge inaenda Karanene Ruibi ambayo inamalizikia Kibirichia kwa hii eneo. Pia tumepata barabara ya rami kutoka Isiolo kuelekea sehemu ya Roire. Pia kwa hii eneo tumepata kujengewa sub-county headquarters na serikali kuu ambao ofisi ya DCC imejengwa kwa kiticha cha milioni 30 katika hili eneo. Pia wazee ambao tunapata cash transfer, tuko na wazee zaidi ya 2,000 ambao wanapata pesa ya wazee kila mwezi 2,000. Pia tuko na watu wanaoishi na ulemavu ambao tumeweza kupata, wanapata pesa 2,000 kila mwezi. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana serikali, na jana tunashukuru katika hii eneo ya Bure East wananchi 1,700 wataweza kupata hatimiliki ya yale mashamba wanaishi. Kwa hivyo asanteni sana na tunashukuru sana wananchi wapendwa kwa kuhudhuria hii kikao. Asanteni sana. Sisi tunaenda kuhakikishia usalama wakati huu wa uchaguzi, na sisi tunawaomba wananchi wote tudumishe amani katika eneo yenye sisi tunaishi. Asanteni sana na Mungu aweze kuwabariki.
Thank you. Tumpongeze Madam Josephine na DCC wetu kwa kumwakilisha the county commissioner kwa njia inayostahili zaidi. Ili kufunga kurasa za kwanza za matumbuizo, ningependa kuleta kikundi cha mwisho, the Kratos Dancers Crew waingia uwanjani watupe burudani fupi tunapoendelea na ratiba yetu ya leo. Tuwapongeze wanapoingia uwanjani, ni vijana wetu wa hapa nyumbani, ni vizuri kukuza talanta wanapotumia ujana wao. Twende kazi DJ.
So, well, good evening, good afternoon. I'm Jeff Koinange, and this is Jeff Koinange live in Koronya Day Primary School. Our CS for Education, Professor George Magoha, our Governor, Karaito Murungi. You're welcome. Thank you.
Let's move.
Nyimbo zangu za science imehit, usijifanya hujasikia nabii, hata mademo ameninogi times 3.
Sisi zangi masecular, rudi kwa baba na kuita. Sisi zangi za dunia, rudi kwa baba na kuita.
Kuna haja gani nikae ndani wakati kila mtu anitaki ndani?
Ni nani huyo hataki ukae ndani? Ni nani huyo? Hebu sema wili.
Sini nani na yule nani, alafu nani akaambia nani?
Maneno weachia Mungu, mapenzi ya Mungu ndiyo ya muhimu.
Mbona wewe saize ipeperushwe juu sana, bendera yetu Kenya ipeperushwe juu sana.
Trio mio,
sisi wa Kenya tunawe situation I go use they tell I'm mellow. rest more. As me I wake up, now she did my mind don't walk. Then one day two, one of you folk go us. Now so me I go down, see me willing go up. As I start to the life, you know my heart it is.
Right, tuwapongeze kwa makofi vijana wetu. Na niliona an upcoming dancer hapo. These are things that you don't try at home, ukijaribu vile huyo mwanadada mdogo alikuwa anafanya utakuta kiuno chako kishateguka. Yeah, don't try that at home. Mgeni rasmi, nilikuwa nimefunga kipindi cha matumbuizo, lakini nikaambiwa wazazi wa hii shule, hawa ambao wamejifunga ni wazazi wa hii shule. Tafadhali mtaingia kwa uwanja, na nikisitisha mkiona tu nimeinua mkono ninasema tukate. Tafadhali kwa sababu ya muda. Tuingie uwanjani wazazi, na burudani yenu fupi. Tuendelee tafadhali, tuendelee. Haya, wapi makofi ya Waziri Kobia? Profesa amejiunga na akina mama kwa burudani hii ya nyumbani, amejisikia ako nyumbani. Tuwapongeze wanapoondoka uwanjani, tuwapongeze akina mama hawa. Allah. Makofi tena kwa hawa wazazi. Burudani murwa kabisa, burudani murwa. Hongera sana, hongera akina mama. Kuna kikundi basi baadaye, lakini mnikubalie tuingie kwenye kipindi sasa. Nimwalike baba yangu ambaye ni mwenyekiti wa Lapset, ndugu Titus, ili aweze kujumuika kwenye jukwaa na kutuongoza kwa kipindi kinachosalia. Karibu sana. Tumpongeze ndugu yetu bwana Titus Ibuya anapoingia, mzee wa kazi, mzee mchapakazi, aweze kutuongoza kwa kipindi ambacho kinafuata. Karibu sana.
Asante Mike. Amiru mugeni muwairenge, our CSs, the CS for Education, CS for Public Service, our Governor of Meru, the Deputy Governor who is also here, Dr. Reverend Sam Kobia, Chairman wa National Cohesion and Integration Commission, our other important guests, na achiari aritwa family ya Kinoti mugeni buinderenge yetore akwambita wa Titus mwana Ntoiboi ndo akumatianio wa Nturene kwetu itigania, lakini Ntura Nairobi. I want to say thank you so much. Mike, the MC, this is a national event. The CS, it's live on national television. So this is a national event, courtesy of His Excellency the President, through his friend, mwana wenu George Kinoti. Tumuringanire impe. This is a national event because it has a national significance. But before I say much, mwana wenu George Kinoti is not here because his profession does not allow him to be here. But he is fully represented by his family. And I want to call Mrs. Kinoti and the children who are here just to come in front so that we know and appreciate you. Mrs. Kinoti, Mary, just come out. Tubaringire impeloi. This is Kinoti's family. Why have I brought them here? I brought them here because all that the president has been able to do in this area has been able to do it through Kinoti. He has not only built this multi-purpose hall for this area through Kinoti, but he has other projects that have been done in this area through Kinoti. And since Kinoti is not usually here, the supervision of those projects was being done by his wife, Mrs. Mary Kinoti. So we are here not only for this multi-purpose hall, we are here also for other projects which have been done by the President through Kinoti, and I want to read to you those projects. We have this multi-purpose hall for this school, we project here. We have Kerua Muruguma Kerunya Road, which is on tarmac. We have Gadoine Kirengo Yetimene Road, which has already been tarmacked through Kinoti. We have Gadoine Forest Road, which has been done through Kinoti. We have Muruguma Getimene Muruguma Road, which has been done through Kinoti. We have Muruguma Kiragene Road, which has also been done on tarmac by. So we are here today not only for this multi-purpose hall, we are also here for these other roads which I've read to you. And on your behalf, I want to tell Kinoti's family and the Kinoti himself and the president through Kinoti, we as a community for this area, we are very grateful. Kanatebwo, tumuringare tubaringerengempe. This is why we are saying thank you to the Kinoti family. Mary, Nawatoto, thank you very much. You don't like public life in being known or talking public, but we want to thank you and we really appreciate you for this provision. Asante sana. Thank you, Kendi. Thank you. I was also expecting a young man called Mwenda Anthony, Kinoti's son, firstborn son, you know, the eldest son, to have been here. So he's one of Kinoti's family members who have been very instrumental in this. Our CSs and our governor, let me just take this opportunity because now, this day, we need to give it the significance that it deserves. This event, when I look at where we have come from 2013, when the president took over the leadership of this nation, and where we are going in the next 14 days, less than 40 days, when he's going to leave the office, this could be the only national event for us to appreciate what the president has done for us. Tafadhali mudhikire, tafadhalini. Just listen to me. Because today, to some of us, it's an emotional day. When Jesus healed the 10, only one went back to say thank you. And this is what you community have done. You are one of the 10 who went to say thank you. So we are here to tell our president thank you for what he has been able to do for this community, with the roads that I've rent to you, the hall that he has built for you or for the community in this area. And since I'm also a community leader, I would want also to expand this day to cover a little bit bigger area of the Mount Kenya and even the whole nation, to tell the president thank you for the service he has been able to do for Kenyans since 2013 to the time we are here today and the time he is going to leave the office after we have had our elections on the 9th of August. So it's a significant day because when we look at the whole Kenya, for the last 10 years, the president has done many, many things. Developmental projects, good leadership, trying to resolve issues pertaining this nation, trying to do the issues pertaining the region of the Horn of Africa, trying to resolve issues for Africa, trying to resolve issues for the whole world on our behalf as Kenyans. So it is our turn now to tell our president, thank you for what you have been able to do for us. We are telling the president, even thank you for even giving Kinoti the job that he gave to him. And Kinoti has been very loyal, dedicated servant. And we as Meros, we need to be proud of a servant like Kinoti. Usually, if you give a Mero a job, he does not boast about it. He says that the job speaks for itself. And that's what Kinoti has proven to us. He has been a good mutumwa, ametumwa na president to come and do this. He never ate the money. He never hid the money. He gave it to the cause that it was supposed to be. So we want to tell the president thank you for what he has been done. This morning, I looked at the projects that have been done in Meru since 2013. Some of them have been mentioned by the DCC here. And some of them will be even mentioned by the CSs. Margaret Kobe has been leading us in trying to coordinate the development projects on behalf of the government in this county. I'm sure she'll talk about them. But I just want to say to the president, on behalf of the Meros, on behalf of the Mount Kenya nation, which covers the 11 counties, the county of Nakuru, the county of Nyandarua, the county of Laikipia, the county of Nairobi, the county of Kiambu, the county of Nyeri, Embu, Kirinyaga, Tharaka Nithi, all the counties around the Mount Kenya. We want to tell the president, thank you for what you have been able to do for us. In 2012, the president called us because he was our political leader of the community around the mountain. He asked us whether we would agree to release him to go and serve the nation as the president. And in giving them blessings, we released him. And he told us, in the event you require anything, I have left you with none other but the governor of Meru, Kiraito, as my deputy. That's what His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta told us in 2012. He told us his deputy in the community is Mheshimiwa Kiraito. Tutaringaringa impelo ibolo kanate buo. Now he is coming to the end of his term as the president. So we want to welcome him back. We want to tell him, welcome back and take your position as the community leader, as our Mudhamaki, after the elections. for who he has